Hi, my name is Grayson Shaw, and today I'm going to talk to you about LED lights. An LED is called a light-emitting diode, and it is basically a small light-emitting device that comes under active semiconductor electronic components. It's comparable to the normal general-purpose diode, with the only big difference being its capability to emit light in different colors. The two terminals of an LED are an anode and cathode. When connected to a voltage source in the correct polarity, the LED may produce lights of different colors due to semiconductor substance used inside it. A light-emitting diode is a two-lead semiconductor light source. It is a P and N junction diode that emits light when activated. When a suitable voltage is applied to the leads, electrons are able to recombine with electron holes within the device, releasing energy in the form of photons. This effect is called electroluminescence, and the color of light corresponding to the energy of the photon is determined by the energy band gap of the semiconductor. Here are some advantages of LED lights. LED lights are very low voltage, and the current are enough to drive the LED. The voltage range is 1 to 2 volts, and the total power output will be less than 150 milliwatts. LEDs are packed powerfully with significant energy and use up to 90% less power than incandescent light bulbs, and therefore they have a lifespan of more than 20 years. Miniature in size and are hence lightweight. They have rugged construction and hence can withstand shock and vibrations. And LED lamps generate almost no warmth. Therefore, they are cool to the touch and can be left on for hours without incident or consequence if touched. In contrast, regular lighting expels 90% of the energy it utilizes via heat, making the bulbs hot to touch. LEDs reduce the potential for safety dangers such as burns and fires. LEDs are also made of non-toxic materials, unlike neon lighting, that use mercury that may pose a threat or danger to the environment. LEDs are also recyclable and are considered green and earth-friendly. Some of the disadvantages of LED lights are the initial high price. LEDs are currently more expensive on an initial capital cost basis than most conventional lighting technologies. Temperature dependence. LEDs performance largely depends on the ambient temperature of the operating environment or the thermal management properties. Overdriving an LED in a high ambient temperatures may result in overheating the LED package, eventually leading to the device failing. LEDs must be supplied with a voltage above a threshold and a current below the rating. Current and lifetime change greatly, even with a small change in applied voltage and light quantity. Most cool white LEDs have a spectra that differ significantly from a black body radiator like the sun or an incandescent light. Electrical polarity. Unlike incandescent light bulbs, which illuminate regardless of electrical polarity, LEDs will only light with the correct electrical polarity. To automatically match source polarity to the LED devices, rectifiers can be used. And use in winter conditions are also not great since they do not give off heat in comparison to traditional electrical lights. So LED lights that are used for traffic control signals can have snow covering them, leading to accidents. Here's just a quick comparison that shows you over time how expensive incandescent light bulbs are. So while they only cost $1 over the course of 23 years, they'll end up costing you $201, while an LED will only end up costing you $38. And why we need them now? Our environment is suffering. Global warming, climate change, melting ice caps, all of these are big events that have had an impact on our environment. Cities can eliminate waste by saving energy. Cities around the world are switching from incandescent traffic light signals to LED traffic signals to save energy and money, and that's because LEDs are more efficient than incandescent lamps. which means that LEDs produce more light compared to incandescent lamps for the same power input. Thank you very much, and that was my screencast on LED lights.